Hello everyone, it's Apurva here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been many days since this particular lip combo has been all over my internet. It is from a brand called blurindia and I could not stop myself from buying it. So in today's video, I will be trying it in front of you all and review it. I have bought not one but two lip kits. One is Perfect Nude Kit and second is Perfect Cocoa Kit.
The first lip kit I am trying is Perfect Nude Lip Kit. It costed me only Rs 999. We have a lip liner, a liquid lipstick and a lip gloss. So you get 3 products in one kit. This is darker than my ex-Soar lip liner, which you can also use as a kajal. It glides very effortlessly and is highly pigmented. It has gentle formula and doesn't feel chalky at all. It has precious tip for smooth application. Next we have is Call Me Daddy liquid lipstick. Such a beautiful shade. It is going to suit every skin tone. The applicator's precise tip allows for accurate application and the formula delivers rich, vibrant pigmentation in one coat. After drying it gives matte finish and it is completely transfer proof. Let's try Dude Don't Touch My Lip Gloss. So if you are a fan of glossy things, then trust me, you are going to love it. Oh my god, look how pretty it looks. I'm going to try the lip gloss on the bare lips to see how it goes. So in case if you wanna skip lipstick, then this gloss is going to be your best friend. So this lip kit gives matte as well as glossy versatility depending upon your mood. Next I am trying is Perfect Cocoa Kit. The earlier one is best suited for fair skin tones and this one is best suited for medium to deep tones. In this also we have got a lip liner, a lipstick and a lip gloss. The shade of the lip gloss is deep brown. From coffee mornings to cocktail nights, these kits are going to work for every occasion and cost only Rs 999. I definitely loved the 3-in-1 lip combo and would recommend it to everyone. Do check them out and use my code displayed on the screen for extra 10% discount.
I have mentioned the link of the combo in the description box. Do check it out. And that's it for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.